last seen wearing a onesie. Kinsley was last seen on Thursday, September 17th, 2020, 6:29 a.m. in Plainfield, Indiana, and is believed to be in extreme danger. The suspect is an unknown white male with a gray beard, last seeing a white shirt, and driving a white 2014 Chevrolet Silverado bearing Indiana plate D. David P. Paul C. Charles 803, DPC 803. If you have any information on this incident, contact the Hendricks County Sheriff's Department at 317-839-8700 or 911.
Luckily, I was just awake. I hope she's okay. I really do.